Well, I'm Jaginder Rana. So the topic of the day today is Central KYC Records Registry. Central KYC Records Registry. The Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India has issued a crucial directive to insurance companies requiring them to upload the verified Know Your Customer information of existing policyholders to the Central KYC Record Registry website. This measure is part of a broader initiative to boost transparency and ensure the security of financial transactions across various sectors. So the CKYCRR, that is the Central KYC Record Registry, serves as a centralized KYC system that can be utilized for multiple financial transactions, including those related to banking, mutual funds, stocks, insurance, and the national pension schemes. By mandating the use of CKYCRR, IRDAI aims to simplify the customer onboarding process for both insurance agents and mutual fund distributors. They will now be able to access and use each other's CKYC data, thus making it easier and faster to onboard customers. So in parallel, the Securities and Exchange Board of India, that is SEBI, better known as SEBI, has also directed KYC registration agencies to upload the KYC information of capital market investors to CKYCRR by January 31st, 2025. This directive, which took effect on August 1st, 2024, aligns with IRDAI's effort to integrate KYC data across financial sectors. Insurance companies are also required to update their KYC records whenever they receive new information from CKYCRR. So this move by IRDAI and SEBI is expected to streamline the KYC process, making it more efficient for financial institutions and enhancing the overall security of customer data. Now, CKYC, or Central Know Your Customer, is a centralized database of your KYC information across the financial sector. So CKYC is created with the intent to reduce the burden of submitting KYC documents for verification when starting a new financial relationship with a new finance company. So once you complete the CKYC process, you receive a unique 14-digit CKYC number. This number eliminates the need to submit physical documents for future financial transactions with participating institutions. As far as the background of CKYC is concerned, see the Section 73 of the Prevention of Money Laundering Act 2002 gives the central government the authority to frame various rules and regulations to curb black money. So with the authority to central government introduced CKYC to ensure single KYC for individuals looking to buy or invest in financial instruments. So the Central Registry of Securitization, Assets Reconstruction and Security Interest, that is CERSAI, means Central Registry of Securitization Asset Reconstruction and Security Interest is the governing body that manages the CKYC registry. Now, what are the features of CKYC that you can understand that CKYC is a 14-digit number linked with the ID proof. Then customers' data is safely stored in an electronic format and the documents submitted are verified with the issuer. All the concerned institutions are notified when there are changes in KYC details. So how this CKYC works? It is inevitable that you undergo the process of CKYC if you are a stock market or mutual fund investor. So when you approach a fund house to invest in, you would first be asked to fill the KYC form and submit the supporting documents. So these documents would be sent to CERSAI and you would be allocated with a unique 14-digit CKYC number. If you wish to invest in another mutual fund house, then you would not be required to submit the document again for verification. So the mutual fund house would request CERSAI to furnish your documents by submitting your CKYC number. This CKYC makes your process of investing easy and hassle-free. So which institutions can register customers for CKYC? The financial institutions regulated by SEBI, that is SEBI, RBI, IRDAI and PERDA can register your KYC details with CKYC. When you open a bank account, demat account, purchase an insurance or invest in mutual funds, these financial institutions will register your KYC details with CKYC. So how to complete the CKYC process? Find a participating financial institutions, maybe bank, insurance companies, mutual funds and other financial institutions registered with CKYC can help you complete the process. Then submit your documents, provide required documents like PAN card, Aadhaar card and proof of address. Then get verified. The financial institutions will verify your documents with the issuing authorities and then receive your CKYC number. On successful verification, you will receive a unique 14-digit CKYC number. Now, how to check the CKYC number? You can check your CKYC number through various financial services companies by following these steps. Visit www.carvykra.com, that is carvykra.com. Currently, only Carvy and CDSL provide CKYC check facility. Then enter your PAN number, that is permanent account number. Enter the CAPTCHA or the security code displayed. Then your CKYC number and other details would be displayed. Review your details and download your CKYC report if it available. So the documents required for CKYC are only proof of identity, proof of address, passport size photograph and the signature. So types of CKYC accounts. There are 4 types of CKYC accounts. They are as follow. First is normal account. Means normal accounts are opened when you submit only of the following 6 official documents as proof of identity, that is PAN, Aadhaar, voter ID, driving license, passport and a NREGA job card. Second one is simplified measures account. This type of CKYC account will be opened if you submit other officially valid documents that are allowed as per RBI circular RBI 2015-1642. So the KYC identifier for these accounts will be prefixed by L. Then the small account. This type of account is opened when you submit only personal details along with a photograph. So the KYC identifier for these accounts would be prefixed with S. So OTP based eKYC account. This type of account is opened if you submit a photograph along with the Aadhaar PDF file downloaded from the UIDAI website, which is enabled by an OTP. So the KYC identifier for these accounts would be prefixed with O. That means O stands for OTP based eKYC account, S stands for small account, L stands for simplified measures account, and the fourth is normal. So these are the four kind of accounts. So is CKYC mandatory? Yes. It is mandatory for financial institutions registered under SEBI, RBI, IRDI and PERDA to mandatorily register all their customers under CKYC. The existing mutual fund investors are not required to undergo the process of CKYC. However, this might change in the future. So if an existing mutual fund investor decides to invest with a new mutual fund house, then he or she must mandatorily undergo the CKYC process. So the benefits of central CKYC registry or central KYC registry should also be known, because CKYC registry enables financial companies to verify documents at ease. Investors need not submit KYC documents each time before starting a new financial relationship with a new financial company. Investors have access to update their details in KYC registry. You can use the CKYC number when buying or investing in various financial instruments such as an insurance policy, investing in mutual funds and stock markets. So in today's fast-paced world, people expect things to happen quickly. The traditional way of beginning a financial relationship with a company used to be time-consuming, involving the submission of KYC documents. So thanks to CKYC registry, the documentation process has now become easier, faster, and most importantly, more secure. That means the central KYC record registry in India is a centralized repository of the customer's identification information managed by the Central Registry of Securitization and Asset Reconstruction and Security in Trust of India. So the Central KYC Registry has several features like uniformity. The registry ensures that KYC record and processes are uniform across the financial sector. Then the single access point, because the financial institutions can use the registry as a single access point to verify customer details. Then unique KYC identifier. Each customer is assigned a unique KYC identifier that is linked to their ID proofs, and the digital storage is there, that is KYC data and documents are stored in a secure electronic format, which will provide the real-time notification. Institutions are notified in real time when KYC details are updated. So you can register your KYC with the Central KYC Registry through financial institutions registered under the RBI, SEBI, IRDI or PERDA. You may need to submit documents such as CKYC application form, PAN, identity and address proof and recent passport size photograph. Once you are registered, you can use your CKYC number instead of submitting physical KYC documents for financial transactions every time. Thank you very much.